Hello, my name is Alicia Robinson. I am one of the librarians at CSUMB. Feel free to come to me for help with obtaining information for your papers or research projects. This presentation is primarily for art majors, although anyone wanting to use the JustStore database may find this information useful. The purpose of this presentation is to introduce you to the JustStore database and will hopefully help you to become more familiar with the contents of the JustStore database. JustStore is short for journal storage. It is a digital library that was founded in 1995 by William Bowen. He was the president of Princeton University from 1972 to 1988. Bowen realized that libraries face some challenges, especially research libraries. These challenges were mainly the cost of access to so many academic journals and the space to store the journal collections in libraries. Initially, Bowen wanted to use CD-ROMs for distribution, but quickly realized that CD-ROMs were a technology that would soon be outdated. JustStore started out providing access to a handful of journals. Currently, JustStore covers 75 disciplines and provides access to over 12 million academic journal articles, books, and primary resources. Worldwide access. JustStore includes more than 170 countries and over 8,000 institutions. JustStore provides access to a lot of people. JustStore can be accessed through your academic institution by using your login credentials. However, if you are not currently a student, JustStore offers visitors access to some of their site, which is public domain, and open access. For full access, JustStore offers use of their site via paid subscriptions to their website. Originally, JustStore was a place to store digital back issues of academic journals, but now it includes current issues, in addition to the back issues, as well as books and other primary sources. When visiting JustStore, you will quickly find out they have a plethora of resources. Currently, JustStore has access to just over 2,000 journals. There are some limitations on JustStore. There is what is called a moving wall or embargo, which is a delay between the current volume of the journal and the latest volume available on JustStore. This delay is agreed upon by JustStore and the publisher and is typically 3 to 5 years. This wall moves back every January, and a new year of content is then added to the archive. So in some instances, if you're searching for the most current articles, they may not be available on JustStore. This is done to ensure that the publishers will have revenue to support their activities. Collaborating with the academic community, JustStore connects students, faculty, and researchers to content at a minimal or free cost. One of the greatest things about storing content online is that it is preserved for years to come. Anyone with a computer can access this information via the internet. I hope you find this information useful. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to contact me via email or phone, or just stop by the reference desk at the CSUMB library. I or one of the other librarians will be happy to help you or answer any of your questions.